Question number 1. Who was the first president of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 2. Which is the longest river in India? A. Yamuna. B. Godavari. C. Brahmaputra. D. Ganga. Correct answer, Ganga. Question number 3. Who wrote the national anthem of India? A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Aurobindo Ghosh. Correct answer, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 4. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Maharashtra. D. Gujarat. Correct answer, Gujarat. Question number 5. Where is the headquarters of ISRO located? A. Hyderabad. B. Delhi. C. Bangalore. D. Chennai. Correct answer, Bangalore. Question number 6. What is the capital of India? A. Mumbai. B. Kolkata. C. New Delhi. D. Chennai. Correct answer, New Delhi. Question number 7. Which is the smallest state in India by area? A. Goa. B. Sikkim. C. Tripura. D. Manipur. Correct answer, Goa. Question number 8. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Subhash Chandra Bose. C. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 9. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. China. B. Japan. C. South Korea. D. Thailand. Correct answer, Japan. Question number 10. What is the national currency of India? A. Dollar. B. Pound. C. Rupee. D. Euro. Correct answer, Rupee. Question number 11. Which is the highest civilian award in India? A. Padma Vibhushan. B. Padma Shri. C. Padma Bhushan. D. Bharat Ratna. Correct answer, Bharat Ratna. Question number 12. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Sardar Patel. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Correct answer, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 13. Which is the largest desert in the world? A. Gobi Desert. B. Sahara Desert. C. Arabian Desert. D. Kalahari Desert. Correct answer, Sahara Desert. Question number 14. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Correct answer, Mars. Question number 15. Who invented the telephone? A. Thomas Edison. B. Alexander Graham Bell. C. Nikola Tesla. D. Guglielmo Marconi. Correct answer, Alexander Graham Bell. Question number 16. Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Arctic Ocean. D. Pacific Ocean. Correct answer, Pacific Ocean. Question number 17. Where is the Eiffel Tower located? A. London. B. Rome. C. Paris. D. Berlin. Correct answer, Paris. Question number 18. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? A. Buzz Aldrin. B. Yuri Gagarin. C. Neil Armstrong. D. Michael Collins. Correct answer, Neil Armstrong. Question number 19. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? A. K2. B. Kanchenjunga. C. Everest. D. Makalu. Correct answer, Everest. Question number 20. Which is the chemical symbol of gold? A. Ag. B. Au. C. Pb. D. Fe. Correct answer, Au. Question number 21. Which is the lightest gas? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Hydrogen. D. Helium. Correct answer, hydrogen. Question number 22. What is the chemical formula for water? A. H2O2. B. H2O. C. CO2. D. H2. Correct answer, H2O. Question number 23. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Sardar Patel. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 24. What is the national game of India? A. Cricket. B. Football. C. Hockey. D. Kabaddi. Correct answer, hockey. Question number 25. Which vitamin is produced in human skin in sunlight? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Correct answer, Vitamin D. Question number 26. Which is the capital of Kerala? A. Kochi. B. Thiruvananthapuram. C. Kozhikode. D. Thrissur. Correct answer, Thiruvananthapuram. Question number 27. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Pratibha Patil. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Sonia Gandhi. Correct answer, Indira Gandhi. Question number 28. Which desert is located in northern India? A. Thar Desert. B. Great Indian Desert. C. Rajasthan Desert. D. Both A and B. Correct answer, both A and B. Question number 29. Who wrote Wings of Fire? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. APJ Abdul Kalam. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Salman Rushdie. Correct answer, APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 30. Which river is called the Sorrow of Bihar? A. Ganga. B. Kosi. C. Yamuna. D. Meghna. Correct answer, Kosi.